today I'm going to teach you guys how to make whipped coffee. I made some in my Instagram stories the other day, and a couple of people reached out to me asking me how to make it. So it's actually super easy and super yummy. I'm going to show you right now. This is really only going to take just a few minutes of your time. So what you need is some instant coffee, which if you're American, you probably don't have that in your house. This is just the Publix brand. I don't think it really matters what brand you use. I, however, am cheap. So, how strong do you want your coffee? How strong do you like your coffee? That's really what's important there. So I'm really not going to tell you what amount to use because that's personal taste. I will tell you, and this is very important, it's going to be diluted because the foam comes up from however much you are. So like you probably want to make it a little stronger than you think you want it. So I like really, really strong coffee. So we're just gonna, there we go. We're gonna do that. Next, sugar. So if you don't want your coffee sweet at all, then you don't need this. And again, it's gonna be diluted, right? So like, that's like gonna be like lightly sweet. Right there, like that would be lightly sweet. And I know you think, no it's not. But when you see how much foam this creates, you will see that it will be. Okay. Then a little bit of not boiling water, but like slightly below, like just like right before boiling is what we want it. And like, again, not a ton of water, just like a splash. So this is my electric kettle right here. And then you need something to mix it with. I'm using this KitchenAid. This is the easiest way to do it. You can use a hand mixer. Hand mixer takes longer. You can also do it by hand. 10 out of 10 would not recommend doing that though. So we're just gonna move this in here, lock the mixer, and I'm gonna turn this on so it's gonna be loud. So start really getting it going, and you'll see in a second, it'll immediately start frothing up. Okay, so once you get your coffee all nice and whipped, like, and I will show you guys, this definitely does not look like what instant coffee normally looks like. What you're gonna want is a cup half filled with ice. Your choice of like how you want to split. So like I'm using almond milk, you can use regular milk, oat milk, cream, whatever tickles your pickle, my friend. I like almond milk. I try to go dairy-free as often as possible. So you kind of fill that up to wherever you want. You're gonna take something like this, is a spatula, and so like my other ones, I realized I did not make it as strong as I really wanted to, because here's the thing, this is your coffee. It mixes in with your dairy product or your almond milk or your oat milk or whatever, cashew milk, whatever it is that you want. And it's what makes it coffee flavored. This is your coffee. Yeah, taste that coffee. You're probably gonna want like a straw. I got a little metal straw here, and then you're just gonna mix it into your coffee. And I don't know if you can see how it's getting kind of browner and more like the color of an iced latte, the more you mix it in. And the more of the whip that you add, the more coffee flavor it becomes. And you can just keep mixing that up. Now, as you can see, you make a lot more than you actually need. So if you want to, like this would probably be like a really great like brunch edition. Like if you wanted to like do something that was really, really simple and easy, but like looked impressive. oh my God, all of you put this out on the table, everyone's gonna think that you're like chef's kiss. You know what I mean? So you're really impressing people, making them think you did the most when really you're doing the least, and with the least amount of products too. So you could do that. That could be what you could use it all in one go there. But if you did make some just for yourself, you can store this. You need to put it in airtight concealer, and you can put it in either the refrigerator or the freezer. It does store. It does kind of dissipate quickly though, so it doesn't last super long. So I would say this is best used when you're having guests over. So that is my tutorial on how to make whipped coffee, or DeLonga coffee as it's called. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want any more tutorials from me, please let me know. Like and comment below. Subscribe to my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube for more tutorials like this. Thanks. Test. All right.